Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to put in toners for MPC2503. So we bought a yellow and a black toner. So what you do is there's a clip here. In the machine. Then we need the yellow, which is this. You twist it a bit. Okay. Take it out. It's empty. Okay. And also black. This is black. Black is empty. Twist it a bit. Take it out. Okay. These two are empty. Yes. So I'm gonna open these two. Okay. So this is the way it is. So. Well, once you're done to take them out, you have to open this. Okay. Then you put it in like this. Okay. It will click in there. It clicked. You can see even if I try to take it out, you can't take it out. Then we get to the second one. Also open this. Take it out. So you can look at the arrow how it is. You can see. Okay, press it in there. After that you can close. After closing, the machine should sense the toners. Wow, everything's fine, you can see. So after inserting the toners, we can make a copy. Do you have something to print? Oh, it's fine. Anyway, it's fine. Okay. We're done. So there's no issues with the machine. So everything is fine. Yeah. Well, guys, that's it. If you want to put in toners, you do that. In most of the Ricohs, the Ricoh big color machines, it's the same procedure. Anyway, you don't need a lot of stress or technical I would say knowledge to do that. Those are simple things, but sometimes just to know where the toners go on the machine, that's it. So other things are always easy to do. Get me? So, but anyway, if you want to know about other stuff, please, you can leave a comment in the comment box below. Also, check into our videos. You're gonna see under printers, you find like we solved a lot of problems, errors, fixing some issues, putting drums in Ricohs, setting scanners. You get me? So it's a lot we've done, and we really appreciate that you guys come back to our channel to watch stuff. So I'm asking, if you are not a subscriber, please try to subscribe now, because it really motivates us and makes things easier for us. to do more. I'm passing Killarney here on Riviera. It's a very huge, beautiful hotel. I think people who are familiar with this place, they can see this is Killarney. So we're just 500 meters away from Killarney Mall. I'm just waiting on the robots. Yes, now. Yeah, this is a very, very beautiful place. And some of you guys who see some of our videos, we do them sometimes this side. We have a client this side and also clients all over, but we do videos much in Killarney and Johannesburg CBD. Yeah, now this is Killarney Mall. You can see this is the mall. The section where we're going, there could be some traffic cops, of which yeah, there are no cops here. Yeah, if you want us to do a video for something about printers, you are welcome to ask us, but if we can solve that issue, we will do it for you. But if we can't, still we're gonna tell you. Yeah, well guys, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.